All right, just a quick fix here. See if this works. This MS250 had an ignition coil problem. This is the original one. This was giving me problems with intermittent spark. After it got hot, it would just stop delivering spark. So I replaced it with a $9.99 eBay special ignition coil. I figured I'd take a try and see if it works. If I made a living with this saw, I would not do this, but this part is I think like $100 from Stihl. So we'll see how this works. I got it gapped out with a piece of cardstock. So hopefully that's 10 thousandths or whatever it's supposed to be. The coil came way too long. Let's get it over here. Coil came way too long, so all you do is just peel this boot back. You can stick long nose pliers in here, grab the little piece of metal, and then just pull it open. And it has just two little, it's a coil with two little grippers, and you just put the grippers in. I used a little pick like that just to pierce the wire and then push the gripper in. So hopefully that'll work out. Got that adjusted correctly to the correct size and everything else. This little boot, I don't know what this was all about. And then the wire is fed down into here and does fit. I didn't take anything apart. I actually did take the screws off the back side of this thing, and I really didn't have to. I just grabbed a pair of pliers and just kind of grabbed here and then just pulled this over and was able to sneak this wire in there and sneak it out too. If you're trying to pull the wire out from the original coil, this is going to get stuck in here, so just kind of like fish it through there and then just yank it straight out of here and it'll be fine. All right, let's see if this thing fires up and works. All right, that thing never started that good. So I'm guessing this had a intermittent problem or just weak spark in general. Yeah, so time will tell. Next time I get it hot and try to do the hot start, I'll update and leave a comment below. You know if it works out or not. But for $9.99 for an occasional use chainsaw, oh my God, I think it's worth it. I'll leave a link below for some of the tools I used and for the ignition coil. So if you like this random fix, subscribe. Nice to see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. See you next time.